はい、皆さん、こんにちは。こんばんは。ながぱんです。はい、今日も早速、英語講義プログラムいきたいと思います。よろしくお願いします。オフィス。オフィス。ワン。easy. ear. Uber. words. And yes. Whoa, open. Want. Apple. Answer. Answer. Attitude. Attitude. Yam. Yam. Wagon. Wagon. And is acting. And an apple. Bobby's bored. I've got to walk. Keep kidding. I keep kidding. I feel like I can see you. The dude is cool. Book by tools. Your desk is mess. I made them again. Oh, we call it home. Oh, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Sigh. Take a sigh. Sad. It feels sad. Silent. You should be silent. You keep silent. Silent. Sample. Give me a sample. Fight. Choose to fight or flight. Fair. Fan. And fun of him. Final. Make a final decision. Family. I love my family. High. You can get higher. Hand. Give me a hand. Haunted. Handsome. He's so handsome. Thought. I saw it through. Sad. Thank you for coming. Thoughtful. You're such a thoughtful person. Sad. Thankful. He was thankful for your gift. Mom. I call my mom. Mad. She's mad at me. Mama. There are a lot of modern buildings. Magical. I had some magical moment. Not. It's not what we want. Nap. Let's take a nap. No, naughty. He's been naughty. Natural. It is natural behavior. It is natural behavior. Launch. We launch a new product. We launch a new product. Laugh. We kept laughing. Laundry. I was in the laundry room. Laughter. It's filled full of laughter. On our head. It's on our head. Obey the rules. People should obey the rules. Number 3. Another problem. There's another problem. Abandon never. It's a bad never go. Number 5. Children and adults. I teach children and adults. Impossible to afford. It's impossible to afford rent.
Exercise 5.3. Beatles Gallery. Exercise 5.2. 저도 스프린팅 C plus C. Number 1. Would. I would like to do that.
I'd like to do that. I would like to do that. I'd like to do that.
I would like to do that.
I'd like to do that.
That wouldn't be fantastic.
That wouldn't be fantastic. That wouldn't be fantastic. That wouldn't be fantastic.
Number 2.
Should.
You should be more clever.
You should be more clever. You should be more clever. You should be more clever.
I shouldn't have done it.
I shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have done it.
Number 3.
Could. I could finish that faster. 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 Yeah. Oh. I got embarrassed. I caught a bug in the can. Our dog dug a hole. We had fun with our friends. Your husband is a handsome man. I handed $100. I bubbled for my son. We laughed a lot of lunch. Let's get the laundry done. Take Saturday and Sunday off. Came from my random thought. My son sang a Christmas song. I bought a new boat. I caught a cold. Roll down the river. I took my daughter to the dorm. We fought on the phone. Their thousand thoughts. He's called a coward. He bought a lot of boat. It came out of nowhere. The couch was cause. How to wear a bow tie. Our home seems haunted. In the course of causing, my heart is hurting. Carve smooth curves. Walk toward the thaw. Stare well before serving. I thoroughly endorse. The burden carry the burden. Around the large numbers. I prefer the curly hair. I purchased a legend resort. Need more courage and bravery. Hard to set that right furniture. They don't fit my feet. My heart was torn by that tone. Use the forks with forks. He kept poking the poke steak. I told the toddler how to talk. They launched the new lunchbox. Put the comb in the tomb. Came out to calm yourself down. I won't be waiting anymore. Cut the herb into halves. The color of color is cocoa. Talk about talking economy. Talk about talking economy. I see beside my seat zebras. I saw zebras at the zoo. Sheena. She's been wearing my seat. David. Asian people have visions. Baby, fever. It feels like the film is failure. Vegan. We visit various fields. I haven't seen zebras. I've seen them before the zoo. Have you played the saxophone? No, but I played the xylophone. Sipping feet so high. It seems to be sipped from Chicago. We visit here for pleasure. This is my first time visiting. These are thoughts that I have. Thanks to your advice, I'm safe. It's hot and humid in summer. We enjoyed bathing in the sun. Teacher. I was taught by the teacher about tech. Demon. My dad was like a demon when he danced. Peaceful. We played some peaceful games. Baby, beast. Beauty and the Beast was the best. Kiki, kingdom. We've got to keep the kingdom clean. Geeks. Geeks are getting more popular. Cheater. There's no chance for cheaters. Jingle. The guy with jeans and a jacket. Cheating. I saw him cheating on exam. Teaching. There's a chance to teach tech in the team. Tickets. Can I get return tickets for 3 people? Chest. They've been packaging the chest in the ship. Meeting. The next meeting has been set for May 19. Nearly. I took a nap until nearly 9 at night. Knitting the round without joining. Meaning. There's no meaning in that. Leaving. I'm leaving Japan on July 11th. I'm leaving Japan on July. Leading. Do not lean against the wall. Do not lean against the wall. Really, reading. I like reading real stories. Really. It's really cold out there. Winter. When does we start in Winnipeg? Really. I'm getting ready for my work. Year. This year hasn't finished yet. This year hasn't finished yet. Lyrics. The songwriter writes good lyrics. I'm out here. I'm not an idiot. It's within an hour and a half. Both children and adults. There's an interesting idea that none of them agreed. That's an unexpected moment. That's an unusual sight. Kept meeting again. Working on analysis. Roll. I like rock and roll music. My wife has been reading English. It's been roughly 9 years. I'm quitting my job in April. You'll regret it for the rest of your life. Michael is known as an artist. He's literally one of the best. Should I reserve a table at the restaurant? For the record, I'm worried to diary. There are several aspects in a row. What in the world is going on? The Olympic marathon has been relocated. The temperature should be relatively low there. Bruce. My Bruce is getting worse. Blue. He's a blue-collar worker. Cry. Don't cry anymore. Clear. It's all clear. Try. You should try harder. Drive. I'm good at driving. Lad. I'm glad you came. Grow. Kids grow so fast. Please do it right away. Prompt. What prompted you to say that? はい、一旦今日はここで終わりたいと思います。はい、今日も聞いてくれてありがとうございました。See you next time. Bye bye.